The 2026 Honda Goldwing 1,800 gallons, the undisputed king of the road, further enthroned. In the galaxy of touring motorcycles, there is the Goldwing, and then there is everything else. For nearly 5 decades, it has been the benchmark, the rolling fortress of comfort, technology, and smooth power that defines the luxury touring category. It is less a motorcycle and more a terrestrial airliner. For 2026, Honda doesn't reinvent the throne. They refine it with a focus on deeper luxury, seamless connectivity, and an even more silent, commanding presence. This is the evolution of a legend, the 2026 Honda Goldwing 1,800 gallons. Not a revolution, but a masterclass in perfecting the already perfect. The philosophy: isolated grandeur. The Goldwing's philosophy is the ultimate isolation. It aims to create a moving sanctuary, a bubble of serene comfort that isolates its occupants from the fatigues of the journey, be it distance, weather, or road imperfections, while connecting them to the world through unparalleled technology and effortless power. The 2026 gallons model intensifies this mission. Updates focus on next-level noise cancellation, even more intuitive infotainment control, and micro-adjustments to ergonomics and suspension. Logic, all in pursuit of the most relaxed, connected, and stress-free touring experience on 2 wheels. The power plant, the Boxer 6, now with near-silent running. The heart remains Honda's engineering masterpiece. The horizontally opposed, liquid-cooled, 1,833 cubic centimeters flat 6 engine, prized for its turbine-like smoothness, immense torque, and distinctive, low center of gravity, it is the perfect touring power plant for 2026. Honda's engineers have achieved a new zenith in refinement: new, active engine mounts and a comprehensively reworked acoustic package, including sound deadening within the frame and bodywork, target the last vestiges of mechanical and wind noise. The result is an engine that feels even more distant, its prodigious power delivered in near silence, making conversation at highway speeds easier than in many luxury cars. The 7-speed dual-clutch transmission (DCT) option becomes even more seamless, with revised shift logic for buttery-smooth operation. Chassis and comfort, the science of sublime suspension. The Goldwing's double wishbone front suspension and ProLink rear suspension return, but their electronic brain is upgraded. The semi-active suspension system now features a new predictive damping mode that uses GPS and camera input to read the road ahead, preparing the damping for upcoming bumps or corners before the bike even reaches them. The iconic plush rider and passenger thrones receive updated memory foam with improved climate control every touchpoint, from the heated grips and seats to the adjustable floorboards and handlebars, is designed for infinite adjustability, ensuring a perfect, personalized fit for a journey of any length. Technology and integration, the connected command center. Technology is the Goldwing's realm of absolute dominance. The 2026 gallons receives a monumental upgrade. A stunning, curved glass 10-inch TFT display that seamlessly integrates the instrument cluster and infotainment. The new Honda Connect Plus system features enhanced voice command, industry-leading Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, now wireless, and a premium, 12-speaker audio system with 3D spatial sound. The full suite of Honda smartphone blind spot information and adaptive cruise control is standard, creating a 360-degree safety halo. This isn't an interface. It's an immersive, intuitive command hub that manages navigation, entertainment, communication, and vehicle systems with flawless execution. The riding experience, effortless sovereignty. The experience from the captain's chair is one of detached sovereignty. The engine's power is vast and silent, shrinking continents without strain. The cockpit is a haven of quiet, cooled or warmed air, and sublime comfort. The suspension effortlessly irons out the road. The handling, for its size, is shockingly light and precise, a benefit of its low boxer engine with a passenger and full luggage. Its composure is unshakable. This motorcycle doesn't just cover distance, it dismisses it. It allows you to focus entirely on the scenery, the company, and the pleasure of travel itself, arriving utterly refreshed after distances that would cripple riders on lesser machines. The verdict, the unassailable pinnacle. So, who is the 2026 Honda Goldwing 1,800 gallons for? It is for the serious touring couple for whom compromise is not a word in their vocabulary. It is for the technophile who demands the absolute latest in connectivity and safety, integrated flawlessly. It stands alone as the most complete, luxurious, and capable long-distance motorcycle ever built. While competitors may offer more power or a lower price, none can match the Goldwing's holistic, deeply considered synthesis of comfort, technology, and engineering polish for 2026. It doesn't just defend its crown, it sets a new standard so high, it may never be reached. Outro. Does the Goldwing's relentless pursuit of isolated, tech-perfected luxury represent your ultimate touring dream, or do you prefer a more raw, engaging, or adventurous touring experience? Let us know in the comments below if you believe the journey should be as luxurious as the destination. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more from Speed Riders. Until next time, ride in supreme comfort.